Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with keyless entry, lane departure warning system, rear view camera, roof rack, ultrasonic front and rear park assist, forward collision alert, Bose 7-speaker audio system, heated driver and front passenger seat, heated front seats, premium audio system, and much more. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.